Early morning shit, it's 7 in the morning. But we got a lot to do today, so I'm gonna record a few videos, but I'm also just bust a vlog, cause why not? So, oh yeah, let's check on the tortoises. That humidifier probably over with. Yep, we could refill this. Yeah, I'm just cut up all the animals' food, feed everybody else. Yeah, I ain't post that shit yet, but I fed the big tegu some shrimp last night, and Bubba. Y'all go check that video out. And I'm pretty sure they like their enclosure. I really keep saying it, but I can't wait till we move so I can put them outside, Bubba outside, the tegus, reticulated python. Everybody going outside is gonna be real raw. Yeah, so I got strawberries, spinach, salad mix, chicken for the tegus, Bubba. I think that's it. And then I'm gonna cut up this one. One more. Alright, now y'all see, that's what I do every single day. I'm gonna go feed the iguana in the back and everybody that eats fruits and veggies. Then I'm gonna come back, add the meat to the ones that need to eat meat and feed them. Then we're gonna give Bubba some chicken. Then we're gonna feed the tortoises. But basically, everybody will eat about this much. So I have to make more and fill this back up for the tortoises, because the tortoises literally eat all this. Tortoises eat a lot. So let's go. Come on. So Anissa is in the room, sleep with the bullies. Come on. Come on. So when we move, Killer, come here. Come here. Killer, come. Good boy, sit. Killer, sit. Good boy, stay. So we've been working with Killer and training him because he's gonna be the dog that I want walking around the facility with us. I don't want it to be Kane or Milo just because look at him. He's a bigger dog. He'll be able to do more. And Kane is definitely better trained. I just gotta work with her. Stay. Stay. I just gotta work with Killer. But yeah, let's check out Monster. So we're gonna do this really quick, because when she hears or smells or sees food, she gets aggressive. And I gotta remove that real quick. So morning, beautiful. How you doing? I have food on my hand, so don't bite my finger. Hey, you sleep? Oh yeah, you're sleeping. So I'm thinking about making this a high box for her to go in until I move her out of here, which will be really soon, because look at that. She's huge. She's getting big. You're getting big, girl. And I gave her a feast. She still don't suspect the thing. She'll probably start eating in a minute. Let me just show her some food up there. I'll just hang a leaf over her head and she's coming this way. She's gonna jump. Oh, she sees the food. All right, we can leave her alone. Good boy, Killer. Just staying right there. Didn't come in. Kane or Milo would have rushed in this bitch. All right, Bubba, we'll be back to give you some chicken. So then I feed the bearded dragons. And she's in here, because we gotta get that all situated. And then, y'all know the iguanas. I cleaned this bitch out last night, and this nigga took another shit. But look at these beautiful babies. Like, oh shit, like literal gold. Look at them. This is the male. You can tell by the knob tail. Stevie Wonder and Helen Keller are their names, just because they're both blind. What's up, girl? What's up, girl? Wake up. Wake up. Time to wake up. And another good thing about Killua, the man follows me everywhere. But I'll show you how the tortoise. Alright, and so before we feed the tegus, I have definitely said this shit before. This is one of my favorite enclosures. I could literally just sit right here and look what's right here. My cool ass fish, where are they at? Let me stay on topic. So like I was saying, this is one of my favorite enclosures. And I say that a lot, but just look at these guys. It's prehistoric, redfoot tortoises. And they got all this room back here. I done gave them a corner in my living room. When we move, they gonna be outside. But yeah, oh shit. Like I was saying, here are the fish. What's up, buddy? Don't drink no water. Here are the fish. Nope. I got 3 albino Oscars. Anyways, back to the tortoise. Yeah. In about 5 minutes, they'll have all of this completely done. Drink some water, then she gonna get in the tub and soak. Then he gonna get in that tub and soak. But also, we're gonna be washing all the animals today that we take to the show. No, we're gonna just wash all the animals, but I just had to get the feeding out the way because we do have a lot to do at very little time. So let's go ahead and feed the baby tegus. I'm gonna grab their food bowl and we could get their water dish and I'm gonna hand feed them some chicken. So I'm starting to realize, I say this about every cage, but this might be my favorite cage that I built, just cause like, look at it. It's cool as hell. We got the 3 turtles up here. We can feed them before I hand feed the tegus. Then we got 2 medium-sized tegus. They definitely need to be expanded now cause they done grew so damn fast. But yeah, man, look at this cage. Looks pretty good. So I feed the turtles. Y'all know these niggas. Okay, Gracious, Goodness, and Gus. Killua, put that sock down. Hey, good boy. Damn, these guys are so like crazy. Sit. Ha ha, you don't get a treat. Paw. Good boy, high five. Sit, not down. Paw, nope, paw, down. Killua, sit. Killua, paw. Oh my God, this dog is crazy. But yeah, hey, sit, no, stay, no. These guys literally follow you anywhere. They really want the food. But oh yeah, the 2 males have really started eating on their own, but she just will not eat until you walk away. Get down. No. No. Sit. Kill him. Sit. Badass dog. Can you handle being out with the tegus? Oh my gosh. I know. I know. I know. I know. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Alright, down. Good boy. Let's go get some meat for my babies. Killer is just a good dog. He's a little too good. That's his problem. He's like a little friendly puppy. That's not fucking little. Is that your food? No. Get from over there. So this is their food bowl. It's pretty cool. It's just a little rock-like thingy. And so I have just a little bit of greens, banana, and strawberries for them. Because they are getting all meat today. Mostly meat today. My face is up here. What are you doing? So yeah, I'm gonna cut this up. Then we're gonna go feed Bubba. Y'all thought I was, no, we're gonna feed the tegu. Let me go. We got this nice big piece. I'll leave for the big tegu. Actually, he just ate last night. He don't need none of this. He can get some tomorrow. We'll have like 2 of these bitches. That nigga can eat. So yeah, we get this to Bubba and we get the rest. These 2 are for Bubba. And the rest goes to the 2 tegus. Go. Go. Kitchen. Steak. So, here are the tegus. Oh, you dropped it. Wake up, dude. I got some chicken. I don't think he's happy that I woke him up. But she looks like she wants another piece. Good job, girl. Alright, so I'll leave the rest in there for them to do that. But he walked away. He wanted to be left alone so he could go back to sleep. So I'm gonna give him water after we feed Bubba. Cool. I see you over there. I see you over there stealing food. Leave the banana alone. We gotta go feed your sister. Come on. Good boy. So, Bubba's over there. And all I really gotta do, stay. No, don't come in here. No. Bubba, come straight to me. If you don't believe me, look at her. Look at her. Stop. Go back in there. No. No. Get down. You know the deal. And usually I have my gloves on when she does that. I just touch her. And that ain't no food. No! Come back. Try it again. Come on. Until I say up, I don't want Bubba to be coming up like that. Come back. Bubba. Bubba. Alligators are really smart. Look at Killer in the background. Come on, right here. Good job. Stop. Stop. Come on. A little more. Stop. Right there. Right there. Right there. Come on. Right here. Up. Up. Good job. I hope y'all saw that. The plate wasn't in the way. If it was, my bad. But, alrighty. That's enough meat for Bubba. That's the end of this AM vlog. I'm gonna probably record some more today. But yeah, man, thank y'all for watching. Just fed the animals. Just some little shit. Appreciate it. Y'all wanna see Miss Monster in the cut. Chilling, trying to see what's going on. Alright. I'm finna get up out of here though. Go rub on the Nisa booty.